stop paying for 5 separate tools. Here's how you can build funnels, email optimization, courses, sell online with one simple platform. Now that platform is called Systeme.io. In this video, I'll show you what it is and how it works without any technical overwhelm. Systeme.io is an all-in-one business platform. Instead of using different tools for funnels, emails, products, and courses, Systeme.io puts everything together into one dashboard. As you can see, this is the backend of Systeme.io, the actual dashboard. If you are a beginner coach, a creator, an affiliate marketer, a simple business owner, Systeme.io is actually made for you. If your goal is to collect emails, sell something, this tool does both. A very easy way to save a lot of money. Here is the actual flow of how it works. I'll quickly give you an example. This is a squeeze page. This could be your squeeze page in the future. Potential customer lands on this page, fills in the email, and submits. Then in the backend, the email will be collected. The email gets collected. Systeme.io will save it as a contact. The emails are then sent automatically. You can sell your product, your courses, and all inside one platform. Basically, you do not need to connect multiple tools. Everything is connected under one roof. So with Systeme.io, you can build landing pages, create sales funnels, create email automation, sell your digital products, online courses, and create a community. Everything is interlinked and works together, which saves you money and confusion. So the basic idea of the Systeme.io is one simple platform to run your whole online business. We will go through every single tab here and explain exactly what they are and how you can get the best out of Systeme.io. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment sections and we will be more than happy to answer all your questions. Thank you very much for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.